So people say that there are relationship angels and cheating angels, and it looks like all those angels decided to leave Mapitsi because what happened on the recent episode of Skeem Saam will show you. So let us talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So I really thought that Mapitsi and Thomas were going to learn their lesson and be more careful going forward, but it looks like they did not learn anything from what happened last week. Even after Thomas was forced to walk naked the entire studio and Mapitsi having to fire her helper, I really thought they'll be extra careful, but then I guess there's no secret that stays hidden forever. All secrets have their own way of coming out. So here's what happened. Kamo knew what was going on between Mapitsi and Thomas, so she decided that no man, I won't keep such a juicy secret to myself. I really need to share this secret with the whole of Teflop. So she switched on the mics at the studio, and at the time, Mapitsi was begging Thomas to get back with her since they broke up after Otibos almost caught them in action. And things went exactly how Kamo planned them. The whole Teflop was listening to that conversation. And next on this clip, I'm going to show faces of everyone who was listening to that conversation. And here they are. Now, here's what killed me the most. This guy commending Tibos for being public after that humiliation. Hey, Tibos is now a Teflop's joke. I really can't wait for his reaction after finding out all of this. So, ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and do share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know TikTok. And all that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.